In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Xero in a few easy steps. This integration can streamline your business operations by automatically syncing sales data between your online store and your accounting software, making your life a whole lot easier. Let's get started right at the beginning. You're going to want to navigate to your Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your accounting tasks and where you'll initiate the integration process. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Apps. This is your gateway to accessing the Xero App Store, where you can find various integrations and applications that plug into Xero to enhance its functionality. After clicking on Apps, you'll notice a button that says Open Xero App Store. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the wealth of resources and integrations that Xero has to offer. Now that you're in the App Store, the next step is to search for Shopify. Simply type Shopify into the search bar. The search result will bring up the Shopify integration tool specifically designed to work with Xero. It's important to ensure you're selecting the right app so you can connect your store accurately and securely. You should now see Shopify listed in the search results. Click on the Shopify app to open its overview page. This page will provide you with some additional information on what the app does, features, user reviews, and other helpful details. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what exactly this integration will do for your business. When you're ready to proceed, locate and click on the button that says Get This App. This action sets the process in motion for integrating Shopify with Xero. Once you click it, you'll be guided to the next step in the setup process. Now you'll see an option that says Connect App. Click on this to begin the connection process between Shopify and Xero. This is the point where the two services will start communicating with each other, and you'll be prompted to provide some details to complete the connection. For the final part, you'll need to input your Shopify store address. This ensures that your store and the Xero account you are integrating with are correctly linked. Enter your store's web address carefully into the designated field and click Connect. At this point, Xero takes over, and within moments, Shopify should be successfully connected to your Xero account. Congratulations, you've set up the integration between Shopify and Xero. Your sales data will now start flowing into your Xero account, dramatically simplifying your bookkeeping and allowing you to focus more on growing your business rather than getting bogged down by manual entry. If you have any questions or run into issues, the App Store offers support and further documentation to help guide you through. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.